What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I've uploaded a video. I had a couple that I uploaded, but this is what I've kind of been working on. I've not done a lot of repairs or anything that'd be instructional at home for a little while. I had my bout with COVID. Just life happened, which happens to everybody. So I'm going to show you guys what we've been working on. Alright guys, here it is. This is The Money Garage's headquarters now. Got 2 bays. Walk in, this would be the waiting area if I had anybody waiting. For now it's just kind of going to be storage until I get stuff organized. Got some chairs courtesy of the brother-in-law. They're going to take them to Salvation Army. I was like, I'll use them. Extra parts in there. There's a bathroom, a very, very small bathroom, but it does have a deep sink. I went in and put up the snap-on nitro gold hand soap dispenser. That way I can keep my hands clean. Got some Corvette wheels that are probably going to be for sale. Well, tires, not the whole wheels. That is a 2-liter supercharged motor out of a 2005 Cobalt SS. So we got everything for that. We're gonna get working on that one. Unfortunately, there won't be a video on that. That's one I just got to get done. Fire extinguisher. If you guys watched any of my other videos, especially the one where I talked about the fire at my garage, you'll know why. But got 2 10-foot bay doors. Ceilings are roughly 11.5, 12 foot tall. The inside has recently been redone. But got the hose reel. It actually has its own room off the back that has the furnace and the air compressor. But decent size. I went ahead and put up, had no shop lights in it, so I just got some of the Amazon 8-foot LED deals, which are actually really nice, to be honest. But it's got 3 inches of new concrete over top, I think 5 or 6 inches of old concrete. So I do have a lift that's going to go in this bay. It'll be roughly, where did I measure at? It'll go about roughly right here, which is about where you want it on a car, and you can see how much room I have front and rear on a car. Obviously a van or a truck is going to be a little tighter, but I'm going to put 1 lift on this side, and then I'm looking at possibly doing some sort of a 2-post that doesn't have the crossbar, something like a 10 or 12,000 pound that doesn't have that crossbar up there, for doing a little bit larger vehicles here. But the first thing is to get this lift in, make some money with it to take care of the money I had to spend on that. Couple quick projects I did so I can get input struts, which this one you can see is, I don't think a spring's supposed to do that, but did that. Suspension cross member and a transit. Just some odd jobs just to get a little bit of fundage going. But we got the liquid wrench over there, the heat wrench, shop press, welder, AC machine, power brake bleeder. Hopefully I get videos showing all that stuff being used. I got my cart. Now that I'm not dealing with gravel, I got pig mat on a roll. Got both my toolbox set up. There still needs to be some organizing. Got a printer. That way I can print off schematics. That way if I'm working inside of a car. And then this is kind of a mess. This is my trans bench right now. It's kind of got all my chargers on it until I figure out what I'm going to do. My little baby parts washer is not really good for much. But anyways, and then one of the things I really like is this little room. I put a light in it, but it's got shelves so I can keep parts, fluids. I can keep everything out of the shop to keep everything more open. So I know Tim with Astro Auto Repairs. Kind of wondered where I went, and I was on a live stream. I think it was last Thursday. I think it was last Thursday. And I said I have a video up this weekend. Well, here it is. It's gonna be kind of last minute. It is the weekend, but it's probably not gonna publish until probably Monday. I gotta do my editing on it. When I said, I have a video up this weekend, and then I realized, oh crap, it's Thursday. I got a lot of stuff to get done before I can make a video. But anyways, this is what we've been waiting on. Now we got heat. It's indoors, so I don't have to worry about wind, don't have to worry about rain, don't have to worry about snow. Don't have to worry about anything other than getting these cars fixed, making a little bit of money to pay for the building, and make some awesome content for you guys. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to record every single car that I fix. I may do a video where I say, hey, this is what I got coming in. What do you guys want to see videos of? So I need you guys to subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys want to see. I do know we have this Equinox here. Customer was about to get rid of it. They took it to another shop. It needs timing chains and the such. It still runs. I told them not to start if it's that bad. That way we don't break it. I have parts on order for this one. It's going to get all the timing chains, actuators, solenoids, everything. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that one. It's kind of chilly outside, so I don't want to. The Grand Prix is home. Motor's finally running in it. Need a little bit more work. Probably brake, suspension, stuff like that. We can do videos there. Town and Country needs a flywheel. It's got a nice bit of noise. And then the Malibu that's chilling out there has no forward gears. No forward gears, only reverse. If you hold it like 3,000 RPMs, it tries to move forward, so I'm betting it's a blown piston or something. That one's kind of waiting until we get the lift in, because more than likely we're going to have to pull that transmission, tear it apart, and see what we need to get that one fixed for them. And then I have this one here. This is actually my grandma's car, a 98 Grand Am GT. This thing is like an immaculate condition. Well, I call it immaculate, but that thing only has, I don't know if you guys can see it, I'll try to get down on there, 36,000 original miles on a 3.1, which is hard to believe. I remember my grandma got this car. It was the bee's knees. I always wanted it. But anyways, it's got oil pan leak, intake leak, power steering pump's making noise. We're gonna put a battery in it. So hey, if you guys want to see videos on that, comment down below, let me know. And yeah, I'll do some videos on it, on the stuff that we repair. So not to bore you guys too much, that I think is everything I want to talk about today. Other than there's the other fire extinguisher. Can never have too many fire extinguishers. I got one here, one over on the other side. That way, no matter what end of the shop I'm on, I have access to a fire extinguisher. So, but that is all I got. So go ahead and subscribe. Comment down on what you guys want to see. Any of the stuff we talked about. If you guys want to see any of those videos. If not, I'll just fix them and move on. But if you guys want to see them, I'll take the time and go ahead and record it. So yeah, that is all I got. So hope you guys have a fantastic week, since it is Sunday, and roll into an awesome week. So I will talk to you guys later.